This is a tutorial for my new 50 Christmas Tumbler mockup bundle. The majority are triple mockups and some hand-holding mockups and some single mockups. To add your design, you just drag and drop your design into the smart frame on the tumblers. You can double click on your design to adjust it slightly left or right. Then you right click on your design, select layer and send to back. You can then click on position, select the shadow layer over here. You can unlock it, click on the opacity, and then you can make the shadows lighter or darker. For darker designs, you might want to keep the opacity high. For brighter designs, you might want to lower it. You can also delete the smart frame completely and then just click to add your design. You can resize it like this without the smart frame, then go layer and send to back. Then click on position and select your design. With it selected, you can now resize it and reposition it however you like. So there are two ways to add your design. I've also included 3 straw options for you, so you can select the straws that you don't want and just click delete to remove them. You can also select the straws you do want and right click and click ungroup. Then you can move each individual straw and position it however you like. Just make sure you keep it above the lid. When you're downloading, keep in mind that unless you uncheck this box which says all pages and select current page or the pages that you want, it's going to download all the images. So make sure you do this step if you want to select a specific image. If you just want to use one of the backgrounds and upload a bunch of designs using that background, go to File and make a copy. Once you made a copy, at the bottom, select all the pages you don't want to use and delete them, leaving only the mockup page that you do want to use. Now you can duplicate this page as many times as you want. So if you want to do 20 designs with the same mockup, then you just duplicate the page 20 times. Now you can add your design and send it to back. And you can do it over and over and over again. Keep in mind, if you want to adjust the shadows of the mockup, make sure you do that before you duplicate it 20 times. For instance, here I actually wanted the shadows to be lower with this particular design. So I'm going to delete all those other pages that I made, and I'm going to adjust the shadows on this one as well down to 50. Then I'll delete these other ones and then duplicate the one that I like. Also remember to adjust the straws as well before you make all the copies. If you use this process, you should be able to easily create 20, 50, or 100 mockups in just a matter of minutes. Lastly, don't forget that you can rename the mockup to whatever you like. And then that way, when you go to Canva, you click on your projects, you can easily search whatever you named it, like my Christmas mockup, and then that project will show up for you so that you don't need to use the PDF every single time you want to use these mockups. If you still have any questions, concerns, or suggestions, please message me on Etsy. I'm always happy to hear constructive feedback, and I hope you like these mockups.